Hey guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a pusheen with donuts. This is one of my favorites, but I hate donuts. Sorry, but they just don't taste good to me. Just like the bread it is, like too much sugar. Well, let's get started. You're gonna want to draw that right there. And then we'll finish the body off like that. Now there we go. Now this shape doesn't make any sense to you guys, but it will. Okay. We're gonna draw the tail right there. And then we're gonna erase the body right here. And then we're gonna do like that. And now we'll color in our pusheen. Erase that right there. There we go. Now, you guys are wondering, what is she doing? She's doing the weirdest right now. Well, actually, the circles are the base for the donut. You're just gonna add little squiggles like that. And then we're gonna get a skin color for the bread, like that. Oh goodness. Then we're gonna get brown and color the top like that. Now this is the weirdest part. Get out the hole, and then we're gonna color the holes black. Okay, so we'll add all the holes. Now first, let's color it right. I'm being a crazy person. Let's go like that, and then like that. Now, I'm sorry, pusheen, but I hate donuts. She doesn't mind them, as you can see in this picture. Fun fact while we're doing this, do you know pusheen is a real cat? If you guys are pusheen fans like me. Okay, now we're gonna go like that. And fill it in with black. And then we're gonna go like this with this pen. Gonna make the back streaks. We're going to do this. Now there is a winky eye, a cat face, an open eye, and then the whiskers. Now just for fun and games, let's add a little bit of crumbs on the floor. Dirty pusheen. You need some on your face too. Now you guys can make the ears pink if you want, but this is the last part right here. We're gonna be getting a pencil so you don't mess this up. And they're like that. Now they have to be even lines. Like that. Well, bye guys.